So I've got this interesting cast iron table that was given to me, and I'd like to make a new top for it. So I pulled this piece of marble from a pile of scrap left over from rebuilding our bathroom. I want to cut it into a hexagon shape, but it's only just big enough to make a decent sized top for the table, so I can't waste anything. So one way to create a regular hexagon is to use a compass, or something that can be used like a compass, and draw a circle. Then pick a point anywhere on that circle and draw an arc. Move to that point. Draw another arc that intersects with the circumference of that circle and just work your way around. Then you can use a straight edge to connect those points. So I have a piece of marble that is a known width, and I want to use two edges of that piece of marble. So I have something like this. And I need to figure out, if I have this much width of marble, what is my side length of my hexagon? So one way I can do this is to create some triangles. So now I have a right triangle, and this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. The sides of a 30, 60, 90 triangle have a specific relationship to each other, in which this side is A, this side will be 2A, and this side will be A times the square root of 3. So let's say our piece of marble is 20 inches wide. Then what we've got is 20 equals A times the square root of 3. We divide both sides by the square root of 3. 20 over square root of 3 equals A, which comes out to about 11.55. So practically speaking, when we create our compass, the distance between these 2 points is going to be that number. I'm going to try to make some colored veins in the surface of the marble by casting epoxy into grooves that I'll carve with a diamond wheel on my grinder. This is kind of an experiment since I've never tried this before, but I think it will add some visual interest to the table, and if it works well, I may try it out on a more ambitious project.